Here we have a 2018 BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle itself is finished in mineral grey, which looks fantastic. We've then got four 19-inch alloy wheels, which are in excellent, unmarked, unscratched condition with the M Sports calipers just behind. As you come around to the front, you'll notice we do have a full M Performance kit on this vehicle, which includes a front splitter, side skirts and some bits at the rear. We've then got the black kidney grille, second 19-inch alloy wheel just there. We've got some more M badging, the black side skirts, black wing mirrors, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear. We've then got the shark fin antenna on top, and there's a look at that third alloy wheel. Now as we come around to the rear, you'll notice we've got the spoiler lip just there. We've then got the black diffuser with dual exit exhaust, reversing parking sensors, and a great sized boot just here as well. Storage net on the left with 12-volt connectivity, and there you go. Close that up. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior, starting at the rear, we've got the full black Dakota leather throughout, three seats within the rear. We've got ISO fixed points within them, fold down armrests with two good sized cup holders. We've then got some 12-volt connectivity with the vents in the middle, storage behind the front passengers. We've got our integrated speakers, leather with the black stitching. We've got the electric window control, brushed metal handle, and more additional storage on the doors. If you go into the front here, you'll see we've got more of that full black Dakota leather. On the door, we've got the uprated premium Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds fantastic. We've got power electric wing mirrors just here. We've then got electric window control with child lock for the rear. Storage below as well. Step inside. Auto lights on the right. Start the vehicle up. Foot on the brake. There we go. Now, just wait for those. There we go. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have covered just over 63,200 miles. Now, we've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, things like speed limiter and cruise control, as well as phone controls and volume controls. Behind that, we've got our auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, and as I mentioned before, we've got the auto lights just set too. Now, in the middle, we've got our infotainment screen. So on here, you can find things like navigation. We've then got media connectivity, different forms. We've got things like DAB radio, FM, CD, Bluetooth audio, and USB. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now if we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have a visual display of our reversing sensor just there. We've then got different driving modes in this vehicle. Starting off at the bottom, we've got Eco Pro. If I just go back into park, Eco Pro. We've then got Comfort, Sport and Sports Plus, so you can choose whichever of these modes best caters your driving style at the time. Moving down, we've got things like hazard lights, lock button, stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've then got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with air conditioning as well, of course. We've then got some additional storage, two good sized cup holders. We've got a key in there at the moment with 12-volt connectivity. Button for our traction control, our dynamic mode select, which I showed before, 6-speed manual gear stick just here. We've then got our control wheel for the infotainment screen, as you can see just there. Very easy to navigate, and last but not least, we do have the soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage, and there is a USB connection point in there too. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect. Starting off, as you can see, I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also talk through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control. So to activate cruise control, I simply press cruise, push up on the trigger just there, and I'm now cruising at 46 miles an hour. Very easy to adjust the speed like so. To deactivate, I simply press cruise or apply pressure to the brake, and we are back to normal control. We've then got our 6-speed manual gearbox just here, so I'm currently in 4th gear. Change up to 5th, like so. Change into 6th, back to 5th, and then as we slowly approach the roundabout, down into 4th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, exactly how you would expect. No jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, just working exactly how it should. Now we are going to take a left at the roundabout as if you were here with us today. And it's a good point to talk about how comfortable this vehicle is. We've got the full leather interior throughout, which is incredibly comfortable. We could happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in this vehicle with ease. We've then got all the modern amenities we could desire. We've got our satellite navigation, we've then got Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, plenty of different ways to listen to music and connect to our devices. And of course we have got a Harman Kardon upgraded audio, so it does sound fantastic as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, basically to ensure your own safety and ours. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check these reviews out, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I will perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So pulling in now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes just there. Throw it into reverse. We've got a visual display of both of our rear parking sensor just there, all working exactly how it should. And as you can tell throughout this whole journey, we've had no knocks or bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you weren't here today. Now, this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, a video walk around or this test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. But that's all from me today. I hope you found this video useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.